What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So today is another thrift haul and I have to make a big announcement. My Depop is open. So I decided to open my Depop page because my wardrobe is full, like for real. Now we show you. Those are all my jackets. I have others here. These are my suits and other shirts here. As you can see, I cleaned up a little bit because in my winter decluttering there was a lot of stuff here. Even here is full, but I will organize my wardrobe when I have some time. My Depop page. Now we show you the things that I want to sell. Okay, there's this jacket, this other jacket, this bag full of clothes. As you can see, it's all for the Depop page. Then I have to show you some things that I got from the thrift. Sure, I will leave the link of my Depop page here in the description below, and also I will leave the photo here of all the items that I will sell. This is a brown leather coat that I found at the thrift last Friday. This is a extra large and it's very cozy. It's closed with big buttons and is so cool. This is a purple windbreaker, vintage windbreaker that I found at the thrift also last Friday, and this is a extra large. This is a gray suit that was in my wardrobe for a long time and is made in Italy. And this is my camel suit that was in my wardrobe too for a long time. I'm selling some of my suits because I am full of them. This is a set of vintage ties, 4 vintage ties with different patterns and different colors that I found at the thrift recently. This is my black and multicolor leaf patterned shirt that was in my wardrobe for a long time. It's a size L. And this is my gray and white shirt with leaves. I was obsessed with leaves. And this is my coverall from the thrift that I found like 2 Fridays ago. And if you want to know the DIY of this coverall, I will leave you the link to the video in the description below, and also up here. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know when we put my next video. And also we are arrived at 500 subscribers, so thank you very much. I'm going to do a special video next week about that, and we celebrate this milestone because I didn't expect it so soon. And thank you. So I will see you soon, guys.